up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Danielle. Nice to meet you, and if you like my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you're notified every time I post a video, which are on Wednesdays and Sundays, and it's a really good time. Today I'm going to be filming my travel workout routine, which I'm so excited about because when I travel at hotels or if I'm staying at a family friend's house or whatever it is, I do try to make some sort of workout routine, you know, according to where I am and what I'm doing and the time I have and all that different stuff, because it is important to stay fit while you're on vacation. And I mean, I agree, like when you're on vacation you should be relaxed and everything, but for me, I just feel so good after working out, so it's a great start to my day. So this past spring break I went to the beach for a couple days with my family. We stayed at this wonderful beach resort. It was so much fun, and I just loved getting up every morning and I can do my little workout routine. But sometimes when you're staying at a resort, they sometimes do have gyms and they sometimes don't. And even if they do have a gym, I don't really feel comfortable going into that fitness center because I just, like, you never know who's gonna be in there, or you just, you know, why not do your own kind of fitness thing in your hotel room, or if you're staying at a beach, you can do it on the beach, whatever it is. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my workout routine that I did while I was staying at the beach for a couple of days. It's actually featuring one of my best friends, Megan, so shout out to you, Megan. We both were like, okay, if we're gonna get in our bathing suits and tan all day and enjoy the beach, we have to do a workout first, and then we can reward ourselves the rest of the day just being on island time, relaxing, and it was just such a great start to our day. Anyways, today basically I'm going to be showing you guys a routine that you can use when you're traveling. It doesn't have to be if you're on the beach or not and you don't have equipment, because it's so scary. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't have a gym, like there's no elliptical, there's no weights or whatever, like I guess I just can't work out. That's not true. You can work out anywhere you want. This intro is super long. Without further ado, let's get started with the video.
First things first, you must always stretch before doing any sort of active work, because the next day you don't want to be sore. Trust me, but if you are sore, you can always just take an Epsom salt bath. Works wonders. But here are just some stretches that me and my friend Megan always like to do. And then it's time for some sort of cardio. So when you're doing a workout without any equipment, or if you're on vacation, go for a run on the beach. Go walk around the town. Do something to warm your body up. I mean, it's just such an amazing way to get ready for your workout and just be all pumped and excited, and it's just such an adrenaline rush. And then just take a quick little break, and while I'm drinking my water, I'm gonna head to this app called Mibby that I just downloaded. It's super awesome, where they have a ton of different challenges that you can do with your friends, and whether it's like read a book or dress the best or, you know, dance, like there's all these different challenges that you can do, and it's really a cool app, so I suggest you guys download it. There's just all these different ones. It's kind of a really cool way to add to your lifestyle, to maybe allow you to try some new things. So they have some really cool fitness ones as well. I literally love the app so much. It's so much fun. It's definitely inspired me to like read one book a month. It's pretty cool. So I have a challenge for you guys that I created, and it's called the Get Active Challenge. So basically, I'm challenging you to work out however you want and be creative, even or especially if you don't have any equipment. And then you can post on the app and we can see your progress. I can post, we can talk to each other. It's pretty awesome. So just make sure to join in on the challenge and let me know when you join, and we can do this together. I'm so excited. So comment down below when you join. So grab a towel from your hotel room, a blanket, a tapestry, anything. Take it outside. I'm going to start out with some core workouts. So this is the Russian twist. It's one of my favorites. It's such an easy go-to for your abs. And then Megan here is doing, I'm not exactly sure what it's called. I want to say it's like boat or something like that. But again, it's just engaging your core, and you don't need to use any equipment. And then I suggest doing some sort of 1-minute plank to kind of end it all off. And sometimes when I'm doing a plank, I like to kind of go on my forearms back and forth. It's a great workout. It definitely hurts, but it definitely shows results. And then Megan here is showing an obliques workout that works awesome. She's killing it, and you just look great while doing it. And it's just really hard to find workouts that engage the obliques, so I think this is a great one. And as a transition from core to glutes, I'm doing some mountain climbers. I think it's a great way to kind of transition from doing some core workouts to some more for your glutes. these are super fun and cardio. So then we're going into glutes. So Megan's just doing some standard squats. She's got great form, and I really suggest just doing for those. Or if you don't feel comfortable doing squats, this is one of my favorites. I literally do it every time. It's basically you're lifting each leg. I do 30 on each side usually, and then I switch over to kind of looks like a dog peeing, to be honest, but it kind of works out. And this just all is working your glutes. Great for the summer to work on that bikini body. I know, it's super fun. And this one's the hardest when you stick out your leg completely, and I just try to do 30 of those as well. And then for arms, I think arms is the hardest to do without equipment. So Megan here is doing some push-ups, which is always great, and then I'm doing tricep dips, and those are great as well. Then when you're done, make sure to celebrate and dab, or boy, that's what Megan did.
So make sure to download the app maybe and join the challenge, and I want to see if you guys can do a workout without any equipment. It's so much fun to kind of just use your own body weight, and it's really cool to just be anywhere and do these awesome workouts. So I had so much fun filming this. Thank you again, Megan, for doing this video with me, and she also helped me film, and we just had so much fun being at the beach. It was just such an amazing start to your day. I'm telling you guys, when you're on vacation or whatever it is, just do a little workout in the morning and you just feel so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's truly my travel workout routine. It's what I do every time. It's just my go-to moves. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon for my next video. See you guys!